Mr. Chair, actually, but I haven't put it there. I will
Mhm.
put it.
Okay, maybe today, Ross, could you be my secretary, Ross?
Yes, I'll be.
Okay, Cynthia, maybe you can just tell the topic. I think this is related about the talk, yeah, Cynthia, yeah.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So actually, I'm coming here. I want to know more about the sequel in general because I think yeah, all of us know that maybe sequel could be another channel that could invite investor or even the new leads. And also, actually, I have break it down as on the PR point of view. On the CTOP, we could use like three point of view from the guest, employee, and also partner. It's aligned with our mission. We want to inspire, delight guest, partner, and also employee. And we could make it and we could bring it on CTalk. So that's why maybe I'd like to know more actually what is CTalk and then who is the market, the target and the market of the CTalk, and then how is it going so far. And yep, that's the things. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. So yeah, for the talk, actually, this is related with the community trusted page as well. We have the campaign as well on the community, and then for the talk itself, actually for the target, we targeting for the potential partner and then our own partner for the talk, and then actually we we will design the talk itself uh the talking from the expert with the partner or the potential partner is like the session for that, and then uh and actually I also tell yesterday with Shalin as well, like I think we also need to collaborate with the PR and HR for help about the talk to make the talk more clear, and then uh, align with the Bukit Vista as well. So but currently the talk is like we talking the on BV team with the expert, but not communicate between the expert to the partner yet, like that, Cynthia. So what we want to have in the future is like the expert have session with the partner, so the partner can sharing everything that they want to know. Also, if there is any potential partner that want to have a session, we also will open for that. Yeah, I think for the future we want that we are as a bridge for them, like we facilitate the expert and then the partner become connect, like that, Cynthia.
Yes, yes, exactly. Tandy, that's a very great idea. And then the things that maybe I could uh, add up for more. Um, I do agree with the with the talk and then with the partner and then also the expert because it could show one of our benefit why you should join us
Yeah.
as a Bukit Vista partner, right? And it could be a potential to looking for a new leads that maybe new leads is interested with us by if I join with Bukit Vista I could have a talk with an expert and maybe it could be a free consultation. Consultation for the architecture is not free and it's yeah it's not affordable maybe for some people, right? And then I think CTalk has potential for bringing that to our partner. So, like you have told, you can do the talk with the expert, and then you can invite our partner. And then in that session, maybe I could say you can invite an architect,
Hmm.
and then we could have a talk with the team of retouching your property to welcome 2021. And then we gather our partner and they can consultation there, like just choose three properties or what. I think that could be one of our way to inspire our partner, and then exactly because we arrange it, it could bring the leadership to the employee. It's inspiring the employee as well as a committee. We could transform them, and then for the domino effect, it could also inspire the guests because if the property give new feedback and then they are fixing their properties, and I think the future guests who will stay with them will feel happier. The other things, Tandy actually Sitalk is having a very good strength, and yeah, I hope the community team could work together with the PR and also HR team to work on this because it's really aligned with our mission to inspire, delight our partner, employee, and also guests. That's for me, I guess.
Yes, sure, Cynthia. Yeah, I think that's a great idea as well. And then I think in community we need to collaborate as well, maybe with PR as well, like to bring more strategy, like how actually we develop this CTOC become more like a good structure, and then have a more big audience like that. Because currently I can set the currency talk. It's like the professional networking, like previously in the first version of the BVE talk, right? Like we the Bukit Vista team talking with the expert, like that. But yeah, I think the final or the what's called the final goal is like the we can connect the expert with the partner like that. Yeah, I think yeah, I will discuss with Grace as well how we can collaborate with PRs. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. That's for me, Tandy. I wish you good luck on your Sitalk. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Is there anyone have comment to Cynthia? Maybe Ross or Om Rafiq or David? All good, yes. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you, Cynthia, for joining with us. If you have anything that you want to ask, you can just ping us on the Slack or WhatsApp. So we will help you. Yeah. Thank you, Cynthia, for joining. Okay, and then we will back to the chapter Trello board. So for community, I think we have two new person today that joined the Scrum. It's Chris and Fadil. Welcome. And then yeah, this is the community Scrum. We usually have this session is every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So you can join every 1 p.m. Vita for the community Scrum, and then we in the first we will discuss about the campaign progress, and then the second one we will discussing about the any discussion topic in the discussion management paper. So in the beginning, we will see the update for the its campaign. Yeah. Okay, I think for the first campaign, I saw there's a new update yet for the sign the contract. I think this is what do you think? Do we need the sub discussion like with Ross as well, like uh, how we do quickly to the partner to sign the contract? Because yeah, currently we already send the reminder, call the partner to sign, but they forget to sign. What do you think, and Ross?
Okay, maybe we can have a sub-discussion today, and also regarding the what is Lilis asking about the sorry, my voice is a bit regarding the campaign program like the outreach, the confirm and everything. Maybe 4 p.m. today.
Okay, at 4 ya. Okay,
Yeah.
Ross, can you make the sub discussion meeting at 4 p.m. on the comment?
4 p.m. ya Kak.
Yeah.
Wait, I check my Google Calendar.
Yeah, or you can maybe just put the time first, then we can discuss about the time later. But the intended result, it should be the strategy that how we get the sign from the partner.
Maybe after the scrum, no problem.
Yeah.
Yes, I can, Kak.
Okay, thank you, Ross. And then the next one. Oh yeah, from Ross, is there any friction from your side for this campaign?
I think we already remind again our partners. So, like Om Rafiq said before, to remind them
Okay,
and to discuss how for the strategy.
okay, okay. Then thank you, Ross. The next is community engagement meeting. This is from Om Rafiq. Could you tell us more, Om?
Okay, thank you, Tony. Sorry, my voice is a bit lost
Okay,
because yesterday I got badminton tournament, so I'm screaming. So yeah, the progress is only for the topic monthly is 106, and then becoming 115, and then the appointment is 115, and then the discuss on this one is about the alchemist. Yesterday I with Becky, and I agree to join again with Vista, but still hard to talk about the calendar and figures. I
okay.
think that's all. And then the Facebook is not updated yet, and
I think
I
today we
think
will post the Facebook, Om. Yeah.
the Facebook will post today, right?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Om Rafiq. And the next one is community page trusted. This is from Grace. So the progress is for the contact list. There is three more contact list, and
Kak,
then
about the campaign,
yes, Ross.
uh, about Facebook group strategy. So
Hmm.
I already put content,
Yeah, the blog.
but I don't know the caption. Please help me to make the caption.
Oh, the caption. Okay, on the for
Yes.
the Facebook. Okay, okay, Ross. I will fill it today. Yeah.
Thank you, Kak.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And then the next is community trusted. So I think the last discussion on the Saturday we discussed about the more like a quality of the partner ya Ros ya for the partnership that we contact. So we will make sure that the partner will we contact it's have a quality or at least the track record of their work. So this is the requirement for the trusted company. So yeah, a minimum of 5 years company, and then there are project for at least 2 years, and then social media check CEO or company LinkedIn, and then active Instagram, and then the last one is social proof, review as testimonial, certificate and legality, and like ISO certificate contractor or award given press, and then like permission of the company like that. So we will what's called small the scope for the trusted community because we want to make sure we recommend the expert that have a good quality for our partner. So it's not only like a lot of people, but there is no quality. But we want to have the requirement. So which partner that actually we're looking for like that. Okay, thank you. And then the next, this is for the maintain partner trust by clear payment report. David, could you please explain us about your progress?
Okay, for my side, I just re-record the case on November, and I have touched the anomalies payment list in the description. Just that.
Okay, thank you, David, for this. And then, is there any friction for you to maybe to settle or to classify or to notice to the partner? Do you have any friction so far?
Oh, until now there's no there's not.
Okay,
Yeah.
so far, you pairing with mostly with Vidi or Mbak Wayan?
Mbak Wayan and in this week with Kak Cynthia.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, so yeah, just update every progress that you made, yeah, for the
Oh,
payment anomalies. Okay, thank you, David. Think that's already. So Oh, sorry. Sorry. This is the last one. So for the partnership opportunities, so far it's only have two booking for Awandari and then what's called Awandari and then Villa Dion. I think for the next, Om Rafiq and Ross, please training Villa Awandari and Dion for the bigger and then Tokit and then invite them for the Facebook group. And then for the on-site visit, there is no on-site visit yet for the short-term partner from the HCR and then BI. So I already tell if Andre as well if there is any on-site visit or booking, please update it on this funnel. And then for the community engagement, yeah, for Ross and Om Rafiq, please contact the partner for the Villa Dion and Awandari. It's already on the source. There's a partner list here. The list is already here, yeah. Okay. Do you have time maybe for today, Ross or Om Rafiq for contact Villa Dion and then Awandari?
I will contact Gladion today
Okay,
after
then.
we have meeting
Okay, then. Thank you.
because I know the owner.
Okay, Om. Thank you. So after you contact, just update here, yeah. Okay, thank you. I think for the campaign, that's all. Is there any discussion about the campaign, guys? Okay. We will next to the discussion management.
About the partnership opportunities, I think I will.
Yes, Ross.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry Kak.
Kenapa?
I think my voice is telat masuk. So
Oh, you're fine.
about the partnership opportunities,
Mhm.
about the partnership opportunities campaign, I will start it from tomorrow
Okay.
because yesterday and today I want to focus to have uh, team BVE talks to make MOU and to not to outreach, not to make group co-hosts. So I help them to doing BVE talks to prepare and make a blog too, like that.
Okay, okay then. So maybe Om Rafiq, you can contact Villa Dion, and I will have Ross to contact the Villa Awandari. Yeah. So Ross, you can delegate to me for contact the Awandari today, and then I will follow up to you the next what's called the next training that Awandari need to follow up with you. Yeah.
Okay Kak.
Okay, thank you, Ross. Okay, we will back to the discussion management. Uh, I think the last topic is from Cynthia. Maybe from you guys, is there any topic that you want to discuss?
For me, it's okay because I'm focusing now on
Mhm.
the Gladion, also partner and also case of Pilada Kutu. I must go there.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, I think I would like to discuss about the Didis place. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, so this is actually I think an important problem we facing in the Didis place currently. We have yesterday we have long term guests actually stay like for 1 month in this place, and then when they check in, the guest doesn't have the Wi-Fi and and then there is no one there as well, and then yesterday I visit this place, and then I didn't find Max. I tried to call and HR as well message and call Max, but there is no answer at all from Max. And then I went to the to down to the little bar and then asking where is this on the owner or Max, and then he said Max go to Lombok like that from a few days ago, and then there is no what's called no notice to us about that, and then because we many times we contact on the WhatsApp like tell about the booking and everything, but there is no answer from Max. Then the guy from the bar said maybe Max will back from this month from in this week, and then uh, I check also the room. There is a housekeeping coming use like every day to cleaning the room, Yeah, but for the Wi-Fi, Max didn't pay the Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi is not working in the disk currently. And then the guest is complaining about the Wi-Fi yesterday. That, and then I also tried to call yesterday again, Max, and then this morning, but there is no answer yet. So my suggestion with the HR is, I give like a, maybe we can discuss like a, there is two option for now. On my side, first, we will remove the Wi-Fi on the listing as a amenities, because there's no profit, but we still can sell the room. And then the second one, uh, we block the room until the Max is communicative with us, like that. Because uh, yeah, we need to have at least communication with staff or owner to coordinate about the guest needs, and then check in, because there is no one stay there for have the check in for the guest check in as well. And then yeah, the guest yesterday is lucky, because the staff, the housekeeping is just finished the cleaning, and then the guest is come, so they get the key. But yeah, for the next, it's too risks for our guests as well, like that. Maybe yeah, I need the some suggestion from you guys as well. What we can do for this type of case, or this type of what's called a partner. Maybe from Ross, do you have any suggestion?
So, the owner is really hard to contact ya.
Yeah, the owner not respond any message
Hmm,
on the call from us.
hmm. There is a manager in this place or
Uh,
only staff?
no, there is no major. I I cannot say that's a staff. That's only local people cleaning the room for
Hmm.
the this room, this place. But I think it's not staff. It's just like freelance. I think like a freelance staff.
From me, I think like I don't know Kak Lilis atau siapa ya. Kak Lilis said like maybe we kayak nutup sementara gitu bookingan untuk tamu ke to di this place until owner give give his response to us.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That is from
Uh,
me because
mm,
mm,
okay, so yeah,
because is if
yes, sir.
we continue sorry Kak,
Yes, yes.
if we continue to open the booking to our guests but the owner not like give the facilities or fast response uh, bad impactnya nanti ke tamu gitu loh, bad impactnya is for our guests like that.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you, Ross. So your suggestion is close temporary for the booking for the displays. Yeah, I think what you said is right as well. That's also will affect Bukit Vista reputation as well. Like how we manage the property, set the expectation with the guests as well, right? And then, but yes, in other side, we will lose some revenue from that. I think, because when yesterday when I visit Bingen Beach, it's very crowded actually. I can see like a lot of people there. And then I think like in Bingen Ombak, the restaurant is full, and then like Kelly's. Yeah, I think that's like a green signal that I think we need to make it clear all of our properties in the Bingen area uh, to what's called to make the room is ready for the guest. Yeah, because the guest is quite good in Bingen. I think we need to following this up soon, and then fix it this problem soon. And then from Rafiq, what is your suggestion, or what do you think about this case?
The first one is I'm agree with the house to close the temporary. Then I'm not agree if you move the Wi-Fi because it's very good over there. And then the third one is push the Bingin Omak strategy because it's Bingin Omak is very good and they have stopped until 6 p.m. over there.
Mm,
So they have a very good communication so far until now. And then the close temporarily the Bingin Omak until we meet Mac. If we meet Mac, and then we need to make it clear in the agreement. If you want to, we as a manager of your property, we must do like this. We cannot do like this anymore. So make it strict because uh, it's not important to us only, but to you as well. This is like today we have a problem, right? The
mm.
salmon already going to make. It's hard to take from make, right? So we
Okay.
need to meet make. So I will be around maybe ingin so maybe I will ask Tengah if he meet make and ask for his real phone number. I think it's
Okay.
my suggestion is close temporary.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. I think. I'm thinking about like how we fix this for long term actually like this problem actually the problem like the owner doesn't pay the Wi-Fi. I think because he is in the Lombok and then didn't know about the Wi-Fi is I think already expired or something. How about because we have the Pak Made manage the tortoise, right? And then like how about if we offer like a manager that what's called manage the displays just about the operational like that. So because I think Max he want to still like go anywhere or something and then not focusing on the manage the property. Sorry, I think not managing the property, then I think we can help to manage it like that. Sorry, yeah, there is someone.
Okay, I think it's like this. If we want to Ade or Nengah to help operational, we need to talk with Max. That is that is because uh, that one to that I want to make it clear because I think I need to Jing out on this because Jing is close with Max. What do you think? Jing?
Okay, so this is good. I think Tendi is approaching with the correct framework for the situation. I think this is really good. He's detected the problem. That's good discovery. And he's been able to prioritize solutions, I think, also. That's a really good problem solving and prioritization technique. Fundamentally, um, you're going to have to ask yourself it's a little bit like candidates who are employees, even, Rafik, right? How much is it is us and how much of it is up to Max? My understanding is that Max is I don't think his head is in the right space, right? Meaning he's often found in like the least hospitable behavior, and that's not just once; that's multiple times, right? We're talking about a person who's drunk when guests check in. We're talking about a person who doesn't really pay attention to the calendar, who's almost given hope up on himself. So in this particular dimension, I would think it's tending. I think you're on the right course, right? You need to protect yourself from this kind of person because ultimately they're probably going to drag themselves down and drag us down too. So I think it's how do we control how Max's behavior will affect our guests in the future and reduce that exposure to risk. The most part, Rafik, is does Max want to change? It's not really related to whether we help him or not. If we help him and he doesn't really care, then you can find him a manager. He won't pay the manager, right? You can find him a manager and he'll still screw that up. So the real question is to really say, hey, Max, we really want to help you, but the way it's going right now, it doesn't look like you want help or need help. Do you still want to work together on this or not? And if not, then let's just say, hey, look, we part happy ways and we don't continue this because you don't seem to really want your commitment to be there. So I think the primary priority is to one, as Tendi said, we need to reduce exposure to our guests because Max is well, we know what Max is about. This isn't like a single one-off incident. This is continuous now, and the reports get more and more ludicrous each time. First it's being drunk, then it's being like dirty. Now it's like he doesn't even show up. So I think on that one we need to draw the line at okay, we can work with you, but you need to show some commitment, you know. And until you show some commitment, we can't endanger any more guests and revenue to you because you're not upholding any principle, right? You don't inspire delight. You don't inspire delight. You inspire fear. You inspire apathy, and you inspire all kinds of negative emotions when people show up and they don't get what you promised. And so I think fundamentally, Rafik, I would approach Max um, as a representative of Book of Vista and just simply ask him, do we have your support, right? Do we have your commitment that this will ever get better? And if we don't, then there's no point in doing anything more, right? We need that first. If he says yes, okay, I've been a shithead for the past X months and I'll change. And we say, okay, all right, so what does that mean in the terms of the next guest check-in? Will you be there? And just really get it precisely visualized and make sure they do it. If they don't do it again, I think that's it, though. We've given Max how many chances? This is not the first time. And Tendi, I leave it up to you and Rafik, right? My diagnosis is that Max fundamentally does not have his heart in the right place anymore. At first, I think he really cared, but now he's given to sort of telling himself that it doesn't matter. He drinks to forget about things, and then he goes to other places to forget about things. So you're not going to necessarily. You have to ask yourself, can you possibly transform this person? Is he likely to positively transform? If he's not likely to positively transform, then it won't help inspiring delight for guests either. So I think your approach is correct. We can't keep on graphic putting this. This is chasing what was it? It's chasing good money after bad. So you've already lost a bit of time. You lost some good guests. You don't want to keep on feeding more of this into the hole until Max has sobered. I think that's the primary word. Max needs to be sober. He needs to be like clear-minded, knows what he wants to do. Yeah, I would just recommend that. Rafi can get that commitment from Max before we go on. I'm not there right now, and Max is definitely a low-tech person. He needs, I think, a person to talk to him. I would try to talk to him. If you can't talk any sense to him, then Tendi, you decide, yeah, what we're going to do with this particular case. Okay, that's my best
Okay.
suggestion.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah,
Mhm.
I think that's right. So I think in Bukit Vista we need the uh, two ways communication, right? Because we are a partner.
Yeah,
Not we not working for the partner, and then partner not pay us for anything, right? Because we are a
yeah,
partner, then we need to grow together, and then what we need is two ways communication. Yeah, we will understand if Max go to Lombok or where, but at least notice us, right? Like tell us like previously, and then how we manage the situation when you in Lombok, so we can figure it out like how actually we manage the current situation like that. Okay.
absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's it for me. I think Om Rafiq, can you lead the meeting a little bit? I have someone outside. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, thank you, Danny. So I think is any comment from the others? Oh, maybe it's better like this. Can because we have a new person here, Cristianto, and then Padil, right? Can you introduce yourself, Chris, and then fun fact about you?
Okay, so hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Chris. I'm a new intern from product development chapter. And fun fact about me, I don't think that this is fun fact, but my name is Crisanto Cassidy, right? And Cassidy means Irish. In Irish, it means clever in a way. So yeah, maybe that's it from me.
I cannot hear you clear, Chris. I'm sorry.
Oh yes. Which part should I repeat?
Yeah, the fun fact.
Oh, so my last name, which is Cassidy, is clever in Irish.
Oh,
Oh, I did
oh,
not know that.
really?
Yeah, I just
Like Butch Cassidy.
Yeah,
yeah.
nice. Where is Padli? Padil? No. Okay, I just give it back to you, then.
Okay,
Because
thank
we
you.
just talked with Chris
Yeah.
Thank you.
regarding the fun fact, and then
Oh, I see. Yeah. I think welcome Chris ya. So I think this is first time you join as well, and then you also or I give you the access as well yesterday for the Trello board and SLA yeah. So you can try to see and then watch maybe the video from the HR as well, like how we doing the chairman. And then for tomorrow, actually for the chairman, because today Fadil already see and then see some video of us. So tomorrow Fadil will try to be the chairman for first
Nice.
time, and then maybe from Om Rafiq and then everyone, please give the feedback for Fadil to improve in the next, so he can more fluent to leading the meeting. That. Okay, and then I think we will the next we will be discuss about the community page with the Grace. But while we waiting for the Grace, is there any topic actually that we will you guys have? Maybe we can discuss it tomorrow. Yeah, yes, sir.
I have a quick topic, and this is one thing that I'm going around to every chapter and I'm speaking about.
Yeah.
So this is one of the things I do. That's one of the reasons I'm here. So I look for strategic opportunity and strategic threats as I'm listening to what's happening in the chapter. So one of the things I'd like to delegate more to, people who are in the chapter, especially people who are leading the chapter, Tendi Rafik, is the ability to do that particular job, right? So can you actually discover what is the strategic problem that we need to talk about? What is the strategic opportunity we need to talk about? So what I would like to challenge and to practice is I want you guys to start thinking about that. So especially Tendi, yeah? I want you to think about like, all right, the discussion board should probably never be empty. Like today, discussion was fairly strategic. It was a tactical question because it deals with Didi, but it's strategic because it deals also with what is our attitude and what is our position and how do we deal with a partner who is problematic, right? So you as a chapter, you don't want to have too many times where there's no discussion topic.
Yeah.
Generally, there should be something strategic we need to talk about. I mean, if every strategic problem is solved, then the discussion should go to innovation, right? What is it that we're doing that is kind of like taking up a lot of time that we need to think more about? I like how I think Rafik brought up the discussion case. Oops, just dropped my thoughts. About like what to do with these owners who are not signing contracts, right? So that's a good topic. So think as a group also tending to how to facilitate strategic discussion, which means that it should be like the leaders should be able to see it, but they should also be able to get everybody else to see it too. You'll be surprised. I just came from marketing. And everybody could see it, actually. Everybody knows, like, okay, we see on a day-to-day basis, we get lots of partnerships, but they don't all convert into deals. Or we're bringing in partnerships, but should we focus on existing partners or new product? And so I think people know that that's happening. And one of your jobs is how do you get that out there so that it doesn't become a topic that just sort of never gets decided upon, like what do we actually do about this case. So strategic is generally something I've been doing, and I see that you guys are getting good at it too. But as I try to delegate more to
Yeah.
the chapter, this is my really last thing that I want to practice. So tell me, the way I would structure is this: come to every meeting with some sort of strategic topic. Like there should be no end. If you're innovating, there should always be something like, okay, you know, we seem to got this right. This isn't perfect yet. What do we do about it? So, or we have these new people here. Are they being fully used, right? Or we have this new change in the marketplace. Are we putting ourselves in the best position to benefit from it? So I'd like to see more of that. Once I see more of that, I probably can leave for and just let you guys run and look at the SLA. But that's my last, I would say, key benefit that I add
Yeah.
to these discussions, right? Okay, so definitely think about practicing that. And when I see that, hey, you guys are discovering more than I can discover, it's probably safe to say that the chapter can be independent.
Okay, got it. Thank
Okay.
you, sir, for the
Okay.
advice. We will do the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then
Okay.
now I will uh, what's called hand over to the Grace for leading the community trusted. Grace, get you
Um, so I will be the chairman
for us. Okay,
for the community trusted, Kak. Okay.
I will
Can
stop
you
my screen.
open the Trello?
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I will
I
share
will
my screen.
share screen.
Oh, you want to screen? Okay.
Okay, Kak. Wait. Okay. Uh, so, so from community page trusted. Can you see my share screen?
Yes, Ross.
Okay. It's like so from us. Kak, I'm sorry, Kak Tendi. I think uh, you can help me to share screen.
Okay, I will share
Like
share the screen.
like
Yeah.
about the standard. So I will mention it again about the standard. We already make the standard requirement of trusted company. So like Katemi said before, we don't select uh, our expert secara acak because we focus for the quality not quantity. So this is the standard and we need Kak Tendi and Om Rafiq respond about this the standard. How about this all is good from Kak Tendi.
Okay. Thank you, Ross. Yes, I think on my side, for the I think for the point three, for the active Instagram, uh, I don't know if all company have the active Instagram, but my suggestion is, I think this is like maybe website or something, like update website updated like that. So yeah, because I think mostly like the big company they using the website rather than the Instagram, I think.
For the social media is optional, so
Hmm.
there are, there are a certain industry that they do not use Instagram, maybe for like
Hmm.
electricity,
Oh,
they are
so
not
point
using them
three is the
often, right?
optional ya, Grace ya?
Yeah, so
I see.
for, maybe for interior designer, they do have Instagram, and architect, they do have Instagram, but
Yeah.
for like a contractor, not necessarily, right? So it's actually an optional.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you, Grace. Yeah, and then I think from the first, a minimum of 5 years old company. Okay, I think this is the age of the company. The art project for the last 2 years. Oh yeah, so for this one, for there are project for the last 2 years. This is I think it's quite strong as well to see the company is actually active or not, because we can see from their project or work. And then for the social proof, it's a small award given. I think we on this requirement we can use this as reference to looking for the what's called partnership. And then maybe just one question. How about if, for example, like uh, I will I try to find a contact about the electronic service, right? Like electronic service, and then usually they in Bali it's mostly like they have small what's called small shop for the service electronic. Uh, what do you think? So that's actually not in the requirement, or how actually we, because I think this is for this requirement is mostly for the big company. But how about the local what's called the local company, the local community or environment in the area? So do we have the exception or something?
For the electronic, we have just want to ask you this one because uh,
Yes, Grace.
for the electronic and the local shop, I think we need opinion from another person also.
Hmm.
Maybe Om Raffi or Kak Tendi.
Okay. I think from my side first, I think we can put another requirement like for the local, right? Maybe from Rafiq, do you have any suggestion how we require for the local what's called local company or require local expert for partnership? Hmm,
I'm still thinking.
yeah. Maybe from other person for Fadil and Chris, do you have any suggestion about the requirement of the trusted company or expert?
Am I audible?
Pardon?
Am I audible?
Yes.
From the looks of it, I think that the standard requirement for the trusted company.
I think connection from Fadil.
Hello, Randy.
Yeah. Yes, Om Rafiq.
I think this is I got the like this.
Hmm.
If you find a local person or local company,
Uh,
just
from my
see the result.
own perspective, because I don't really have that much experience.
Okay, Fadil. I think your connection is lagging, Fadil. Maybe you can restart it. Yes, Om. You can continue.
Yeah, the I think this is the what is called. It's not really the point, but I get the idea. idea is the local company who have the result. For example, like great restaurant, for example, they only 3 years, but the input is very good. You need to see the result, how they build. For example, like one architect, he he only 2 years or 1 year, but he already built many things. You understand what I mean?
Okay, the
The
project,
result, yeah,
the project.
the things, the what you done, right? I don't know how to
Hmm,
what it called.
Oh,
big project
uh,
itu ya.
It depend on project.
so for more of number,
Yes, yes,
more of the progress and the
yes,
projects they
yeah,
did.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
Number of project ya berarti ya.
yeah.
Oke. Okay, I think that's bring me idea as well. Like the for the service electronic yesterday the Pak Joko, because he already like usually handle the villa guest house for fixing the electronic there, but he doesn't have like a big shop, but he have a connection between another villa. I think that's actually an opportunity to us as well, like because he fixing some villa guest house, and then I think we can also communicate with him actually, like where is the villa, maybe about the management, maybe if they know like the manager of the villa, so it can be like a one connection as well like that. And then like yeah, I think I agree with Om Rafiq, like a number of, and then I think the how about the scope of work. Maybe Grace, how about the scope of work?
The what?
Scope, like
Oh, scope.
ya cangkupan.
Is it? Do you mean like is it in the city only or in the regional gitu ya?
Yeah, I think I mean like for example like the expert can work like not only in one place, but maybe for example like in not only in Kuta area, but can be also in Jimbaran, can Canggu. So it's like a more like a big have a big scope for that.
Oh, so okay, so we need to add for the scope of work and
Mm.
the number of projects they did.
Yeah, I think that's yeah my suggestion.
Hello, it's Nadia over here. Can I ask a question?
Yes, Nadia.
All right, so okay, so I was like wondering. It says like a minimum of 5 years old company.
Yeah.
So actually, I have this like a kind like people I know that they just built a company like interior design company, and actually like they have like 3 members, and a lot of them actually graduated from like some university in the United States, and they offer like a really affordable like designs for the interior, but they only started like this year. I mean, it's not even 1 year old enough, but I think they would provide like a really good quality of service or products. So what about that? I mean, they're not even 5 years old yet, but I think they could, I mean, they could be part of the trusted community, but they're not yet in past the requirements. So what about that?
What about their projects?
Well, they just started from like office designs or apartment design, something like that, because they just started new.
Yeah, I think for the new, what we need to with what we need to approve is the what's called the achievement of the company itself. For example, like yeah, okay, you have a lot of strategy or good marketing and everything, but what is your your work? I would like to see your work, what you have been done so far, like if there's a, for example, okay, you are just started last year, but you build a big resort, and then that resort using you, then okay, so you prove your work like that. So yeah, I think from me is that about the work that that company done.
Okay.
Yeah, I see Jing raise your hand.
Sure. This is actually very similar to, like, think about Airbnb, right? So if you're starting a new property, how do you gain trust and reputation on Airbnb? You get reviews. So I think, Nadia, in that case where there's somebody new, and this is fundamentally what we're trying to do anyway, right? Um, bring bring somebody who can testify that you do good work and show us what that looks like, right? You can invite that person to come to the talk as well, which would be very interesting because then we can make a connection
Yeah.
to a person who actually has a property. So it's no problem to be a new young company. We were a new young company at one point too, and we needed credibility. So just bring your client and have your client tell us like why they endorse your business. As long as you can do that and do it in a transparent way, I think that's what builds trust, right? Like who trusts you, and who would trust you again. So I think that can be okay. The 5-year cutoff is a good, I think, rule of thumb, which means that it's probably there are some cases that people are like a lot of startups, right? Like you think of like TikTok has probably been less around than 5 years, but it's far more trustworthy than I don't know, maybe like companies have been around longer.
Yeah.
So that it just depends on like what your reputation is, I think. And we can always conclude companies that have good reputations.
Yes. Okay. So for this requirement, since we have some adjustment to it, so we can discuss it later. And then for the last thing that maybe I remind is today's meeting is for Echo for Past and will be moderated by me this evening.
Oh.
Today we have with who? Grace. I think we have a meeting today, yeah.
Yes. The Echo for Past, Pak Bagus.
Okay, let me see on the community page. Oh, for the what's called for the talk with the Christian, I had put the link here, yeah. Maybe Ross, you already got the link.
Yeah, Kak.
Oh,
And
what?
all the before meeting, Kak. Like yeah. Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Rose. Yeah.
Ross. Please continue.
No, I asked for a link for the meeting before Christian Fields, because there's so in this paper.
For the I think for the Jill Wilson, because I'm not attend. Grace, do you know who record the Jill Wilson?
It's there already. I saw it somewhere. I will send the link to us.
It's there.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, please put in this paper, ya, Kak. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, over to Mr. Jim.
Okay, final announcement. I know we already went overtime, but I want to bring this up. This is a good opportunity. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'd like you to introduce a really special guest for tomorrow.